Parents can only take some credit for their kid. After all, their genes do some of the work. But a child's environment and interactions, from grandparents to babysitters, play a role in developing a child's brain. DNA is our molecular instruction manual, providing the blueprint that our body can use to build organs and tissues, but it doesn't have all that's required to form a complex organ like the brain. Our experiences provide this extra layer of information, creating a genetic memory on their DNA without changing the sequence inherited from mom and dad. An individual's environment can leave behind trace chemical memories on the DNA that change how its instructions are followed. Positive experiences early in life, like good nutrition or exposure to learning opportunities, leave chemical memories that enable genetic instructions to be carried out in a way that lead to optimal brain development. On the other hand, negative experiences, like exposure to toxins, leave chemical memories that obscure these instructions, harming later development. These chemical memories are called epigenetic modifications, and they're just one way that the cell determines what regions of DNA are magically transformed into the proteins of the cell. Epigenetic changes can be long-lasting and are shaped by an individual's experiences, so things like toxin exposure, nutrition, relationship quality, toxic stress, and other interactions with the environment can actually change the epigenome and affect how organs like the brain develop. Epigenetic changes to the DNA can be either temporary or permanent, and some may even be reversible at the chemical level. But when it comes to developing brains, researchers are finding that many of the epigenetic modifications to brain genes are enduring and possibly heritable. This means that the effect of poor environments can linger for generations. The earliest years of life, and even the prenatal period, are critical to establishing positive epigenetic changes for optimal brain architecture. This is the time when children benefit the most from stable, consistent, and responsive caregivers at home, in childcare, and other community environments. As the child grows, brain architecture established early in life forms a foundation for more advanced learning and higher-level brain function. While children can learn and grow from dealing with some negative experiences, like, say, dropping an ice cream cone, sustained exposure to highly stressful experiences can actually derail the wiring of the brain. If extreme stress never goes away, the neural connections relating to fear and anxiety may be overdeveloped, for example, while connections relating to reasoning and behavioral control may be underdeveloped, which can lead to lifelong problems in mental and physical health, learning, and behavior. Just like a bad tattoo, genetic memories can last a lifetime, so it's crucial that genes are in a good environment from the start. That being said, a child's brain has an incredible ability to adapt, and the consequences of early adversity can be overcome, though early intervention is critical. Interventions such as introducing varied and positive relationships can actually allow a child's brain to overcome less than perfect foundations. Both positive and negative experiences have lasting effects on brain and behavior. But without little molecular tweezers to move around these epigenetic signals, I guess our best option is raising kids in enriching environments that promote positive development.